Hi, in this video, I'll be explaining about deploying a Meteor application on Heroku platform. So before you start deploying Meteor on Heroku, you need to make sure that your application is running without any errors. So in your command prompt, just type Meteor and check if application is running. In my case, I'll just this is my application, so it's running without any errors. So it works fine for now. Okay. So here I have a document with all the steps to deploy on Heroku. So first step is to start a Git init. We'll initialize the Git repository for our Heroku environment. So you can just do Git, you can use Git bash, or you can just use your command prompt. So I initialized it. And so this is done. So after this, the next step is to log in using Heroku. Log in to Heroku account using your command prompt. For that, you just need to type Heroku command prompt. Okay, so so press any key to open up the browser. So it will take you to the browser to log in. So log into your Heroku account. If you don't have an account, create an account. So here I logged into my account. Sorry, I had a problem logging in before. Yeah, logging in as so you can logged in using my account. So the next step is to create an application in Heroku environment. So after typing this, the whatever the name you want to give it to your app, so this application is deployed, and you can see here this will be your domain for after you deploy. You can check it here, your domain. So it's basically your application name dot herokuapp.com. So in my case, I used horse build pack. So build packs are something that uh, who requires. So it's a like a configuration. Will use this build pack. So in my case, I used horse. This doesn't work. Please go to the reference section and you will find a link, and you can use different build packs on your pack in your system. If this doesn't work, just run this command. Okay, build pack set next release on deploy will use. Okay, see this is deployed. I mean not deployed. This is build pack has been created. So you can head back to the browser and check. Just refresh this. Refresh the Heroku page. So you can see here, this is the Mukita develop deploy, and you can go to the activity section, and you can see here initial release and enable log. Okay, let me check if the build pack has been set. Okay, here you can see build packs. Under build packs, we have successfully set it to the build pack horse. Okay. Next step is to Meteor always uses MongoDB, and in this in our case we are installing MLab MongoLab. So it's a free open source, and they give 500 MB of like storage that we use enough for most of the. Just run this command. So we are basically setting up our database for this. So welcome to new subscription is being created and will be available shortly. So you can see everything is created. We will let's go back to our. Okay, just head to the activity section and you can see. Um, so the MongoDB has been created, and you can see URI has been created. MongoDB URI has been created for our application. So after you finish that, you have to get your URI value. So Okay, so command is not working. Let me. So grep doesn't work in command prompt. So it works only in git bash. So this is our value. So I'll just change. Okay, this is your URI. So we got our URI. We found it. Thing is to configure our environment to this specific URI. So copy up to this command, and here you will take this value, paste it here. Okay, it's very quick. It's done. Okay, the next thing. So here you will pass the value that you saw after creating the application. So just copy up to root underscore URL. And this is the my application URL. So just okay, it's done. Yeah. So we have set the Mongo URL. Then we have also set the Mongo root URL as Heroku app. Let's check our remote. Looks like we have it. So we have our Heroku. So this is the branch. On Heroku branch, we have all this. So, so, so we have created the application. We have set up the database. We have also set up the URL. The next option is next step is deploy it. Okay. So git push Heroku master. So it is pushing to the Heroku environment and master branch. Just run this command, and I may pause this video because the Heroku deployment may take like half an hour or sometimes longer. So I will just pause it, and once I see the successful message, I will continue the video. Okay, the application is deployed now. You can see the message verifying deploying done. So if you have deployed successfully, you will see these messages. And this application is pretty large, so it took me a while to get this deployed. So if your application is small, it may not take much time. Okay, where was that? Okay, so this is the git push Heroku, and you will see all. So it is basically installing all the Meteor frameworks, all related packages. So we have deployed it now. Let's go ahead and you can navigate to this using your browser, or you can just type Heroku open. So this is it. It's deployed now on Heroku. Log in and Yeah, thank you. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.